is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, if you really want to know how to do bulk payment to Chinese supplier on 1688, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see the easy guide on how you can simply do the bulk payment to any Chinese supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell for more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China, or how you can simply make payment to a Chinese supplier using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. This is another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in this video, you are going to learn how to do bulk payment or bulk transaction to Chinese supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then after you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you add all the products that you want to pay for at once into cart. So once you are able to add all the products to cart, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to your cart. Then from your cart right here, you are going to see all the products right here. Next thing you need to do is to select the product one after the other. So I'm going to click on here to select this. I'm going to simply scroll down and select this. I'm going to select this. I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this product. I'm paying for this product. I'm paying for this product. Then I'm paying for this product. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm paying for this. So it's as simple as that. I'm paying for all these particular products right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, you'll be asked to add your delivery or shipping address from the top right here. Then next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and check the preview of all the products that you are paying for in bulk. So the more you scroll down, the more you see all the products right here. Then if you have anything you want to remove or you want to delete from the sections right here, you can easily remove them. It's that simple. But if you don't have anything to remove from here, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this particular icon right here to proceed to payment with your Alipay or any types of means of payment you have. So I'm going to click on here now to proceed. Let's go to take us right here. As at the time of making this video, I'm paying the sum of 605.12 yen to purchase all these products. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to payment to purchase all these products, and I'm paying with my Alipay. Alternatively, you can use your MasterCard or Visa card to pay with your local currency. But in this tutorial, I'm using Alipay, and I'm going to simply click on here to proceed to payment. Then here, I enter my payment password. Just like what you see right here, payment done successful. I was able to pay for about 8 different suppliers right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to close this pump up. So by the time I go back to my profile, I'm going to click on here to proceed to my profile. And by the time I refresh my profile, all the product is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So just like what you see right there, these are all the products that we just paid for in bulk on 1688 Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe for more China importation business tutorial And likewise, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.